Hi, I'm Shannon Toon with Dining with the Toons and Craft Burger, and today we're going to be making some caramelized RealSweet onion smash burgers. The recipe is really simple. It's one of my favorite preparations of burgers. What you're going to do is going to get some 70-30 ground beef. You're going to make a small ball, about 4 ounces of meat. We're going to season it with some cracked black pepper, some kosher salt. Get the ball nice and firm, and then you're just gonna put it on your skillet. Now, if you're using one of these electric skillets at home, you wanna make sure the temperature stays hot, so you don't wanna overcrowd your skillet. Once you get it down, you're gonna smash it, as in the name Smash Burger. What this does, it helps distribute the patty evenly, and you were looking for that caramelized brown meat. Then you're gonna top it with some onions. Once it cooks for a little while, these have already been started, we're gonna take them and just give them a turn. What's gonna happen is that these onions are going to cook into the meat. So you're gonna have the super sweet, real sweet onions, the beef, and then we're gonna top them with cheese. Give another little smash here. If it breaks apart, that is all good. So while they're cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and warm up some of these buns. Getting some of this grease in there is absolutely fine. Your griddle, you want it to have it as high as it can go. Heat is your friend here. We're gonna take our bun here, it's nice and toasty. We're gonna throw some cheese. We're gonna go ahead and top it like so. Now I like a medium burger, mid-well at the absolute max. So this one right here is gonna be ready. You're gonna grab your onions that have caramelized and saute this a little bit. And there you go, that's your smash burger. Right there, nice and juicy, and that's what you want. Simple, doesn't need a lot of fuss, no lettuce and tomatoes on these. And these are potato buns. That was really good.